Hey everyone, welcome to this Workday HCM tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Workday or looking to understand how it works, you're in the right place. Workday HCM, or Human Capital Management, is a cloud-based system that helps businesses manage HR, payroll, talent, and workforce planning all in one platform. It's used by companies worldwide to streamline HR operations, improve employee experience, and automate key business processes. So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do all of those features, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Workday for workforce management. So, let's get started. Now, Workday HCM is one of the most powerful human capital management system available today, offering a complete suite of HR, payroll, and talent management solutions. Now, it's used by companies of all sizes to streamline workforce management, improve decision making, and enhance employee experience. So, let's go over its key features in detail. Now we have employee management and HR administration. Workday HCM provides a centralized system to manage employee records, job profiles, compensation details, and organizational structures. With a self-service portal, employees can update their personal information, request time off, and access company policies. Employee profiles, which stores all employee data in one place. We also have a organizational chart that visualizes reporting structures for easy workforce planning. We also have onboarding that simplifies the hiring process with automated workflows. We also have the employee self-service that allows employees to access and update their details anytime. Now, Workday's recruiting module helps companies to hire the best candidates with an end-to-end hiring process from job posting to onboarding. They have AI-powered candidate matching that helps recruiters find the best talent. They also have automated job posting to distribute jobs openings to multiple platforms. They also have mobile-friendly applications. Candidates can apply from any devices, and interview scheduling and collaboration, where managers can schedule interviews directly within a workday. Now they also have offer management that easily generate and send offer letters to candidates. Now, when it comes to payroll system, they ensures that the accurate and efficient payroll processing with real-time calculations and automated tax compliance. They have multi-country payroll that supports different payroll regulations across regions. They also have real-time payroll processing with no more waiting for payroll cycles, data updates instantly. They also have automated deductions and taxes to ensure compliance with tax laws, and self-service pay slips where employees can access pay details anytime. It also includes compensation management, which allows companies to set pay grades and salary structures, manage bonuses, incentives, and stock options, create compensation reports for decision making. Now, for the time tracking and absence management, Workday provides automated time tracking to monitor employee attendance, leaves, and overtime. Now, the clock in and clock out system, where employees can track hours via desktop or mobile. They have also time off request. Employees can submit leave requests, and managers can approve them instantly. Now, for the compliance with labor laws, it ensures that the adherence to overtime and leave regulations and the shift scheduling. They have the helps of managers plan work schedules efficiently. Now, for the learning and development, Workday's Learning Management System, or LMS, helps companies provide training and upskilling opportunities for employees. Now, the on demand training courses, where employees can access learning materials anytime, certifications, and compliance training to ensure employees meet industry standards. And they also have AI powered personalized learning paths that suggest courses based on employee roles. Now, for the workforce planning and analytics, Workday's analytics tools help companies make data driven HR decisions. They have workforce planning that predicts hiring needs based on the business growth. Now they also have AI driven insights that analyze HR trends like turnover rates and productivity. And also they have mobile access integration. Now, Workday HCM is fully accessible via mobile devices, allowing employees and managers to check payslips, request leave, and update information on the go, approve expenses, and time off requests from anywhere, and it can integrate with third-party apps like Microsoft Teams and Slack. Now to get started, you click on the demo button in the homepage, and then it will redirect you to this tab where you need to enter your business email and then enter your personal details like first name, last name, your country, your job level, and then your functional role. Now after that, click on the view demo and it will redirect you to the video that is sent by the Workday. Now, before gaining full access to Workday HCM, companies typically go through a video demo to understand how the platform works and whether it fits their needs. Now, this demo is provided by Workday's sales team and offers an in-depth look at the system's capabilities, so it is important for you to watch this video first before thinking that you need to use this software for your business. And that wraps up our Workday HCM tutorial. Workday is a powerful tool for managing HR, payroll, talent, and workforce planning all in one system. Whether you're an employee handling personal tasks or an HR professional overseeing company-wide operations, Workday offers flexibility and automation to simplify your workflow. If you're interested in using Workday, make sure to schedule a demo to see how it fits your business needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more HR and payroll software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.